This is happening right in Benin City here at Saple Road, very close to Adesuwa Junction. A very serious accident just happened. This truck actually failed brake, and before you know, it collided with some other cars, and before you know, there are multiple accidents. It is so disheartening because as we speak right now, there are people trapped inside the vehicle. There are 2 or 3 different vehicles that people are trapped in right now, and it's very bad. A little baby was just brought out from the car not too long, and this is so disheartening. And right now, people are in that bus. Some are already dead, while some are begging for their life. I pray that God help them. And this just happened right in front of my office. This just happened right in front of my office. I mean, God. Thank God that this is really painful. There's chaos everywhere right now. There's commotion everywhere right now. This just happened today. Such a pity. I pray that God rescue and save those people in those vehicles. This accident actually, caused a lot of, damage. That all done since. Right.